Today we drain 847 liters of contaminated water from a 150-gallon aquarium. The glass is completely opaque. Nothing inside is visible. Brown-green algae coats every surface. The tank is a solid wall of decay. Most would discard it entirely. We measure the contamination. Clinical inspection reveals the scope of restoration required. Panel by panel, we scrub the glass. Each section reveals nothing underneath. The water drains section by section. 847 liters removed methodically. Every corner treated individually. Fresh water replaces contaminated water. The transformation begins. Clarity emerges where opacity dominated. Plants become visible beneath. Substrate details appear. The tank breathes. Final sections cleared. Water chemistry stabilizes. Fish begin to move freely again. Plants stand upright in clean substrate. The ecosystem restores itself. 847 liters of contaminated water. Opaque wall. Crystal clarity revealing a fully stocked planted aquarium.